And you are?
I'm Luke. I'm looking for my sister Lucy. Is she here?
Oh, she's inside. Come on in.
Thank you.
Oh! And then I fell off the roof because of Timmy.
Will you quit complaining?
I almost lost my life.
Keyword, almost.
Timmy's right. Almost. Oh!
Billy screams like a girl. Why are you screaming, Billy?
Speak up, girl. There's an intruder.
An intruder? Luke?
Who the hell is Luke?